Trust and transparency are the core beliefs of TraceLabs and BSI. Through our partnership, we deliver solutions combining state-of-the-art trust-enhancing technology and world-class assurance expertise. Furthermore, we help shape global supply chain data standardization through involvement in working groups such as the GS1 EPCIS and CBV 2.0. In the past 2.5 years, we've developed solutions that significantly improve supply chain data traceability, interoperability, and integrity across several industries, including the food and pharmaceutical industries. Those solutions deliver value to all supply chain participants by, for example, improving import procedures, enabling product visibility across supply networks, and enabling better decision-making. The Trusted Supply Chain Data Index and Repository enables all supply chain participants, from primary producers to retailers, to securely index their data and make it discoverable, while at the same time giving organizations full data access control. In turn, it allows the FDA to query and discover specific product data across the entire supply network when an outbreak occurs. A time-bound access to that data of each relevant organization can then be requested, ensuring efficient and effective management of outbreaks. The solution is based on the open source Origin Trail decentralized knowledge graph, combining the power of knowledge graph and blockchain technology, as well as the BSI Connect screen, providing an interface to the knowledge graph and comprehensive business intelligence capabilities and assurance services. Our solution uses a linked data approach and ensures data interoperability based on global data standards such as the GS1 EPCIS and CBV. All of these benefits can be achieved without changes to existing IT infrastructure and business processes, and the actual costs of utilizing the solution are low, depending on the size of the organization. Several components of the Trusted Supply Chain Index and Repository are already in use with our SCAN Trusted Factory solution that you can actually see on the screen now. SCAN is an association of the largest retailers in the US, for example, Walmart or Target, formed to eliminate foreign factory audit fatigue associated with supply chain security importing criteria within the US Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism program. Today, SCAN covers more than 18,000 factories across Asia and the rest of the world, and the Trusted Factory solution really enables CBP and other authorized government agencies to actually access and verify key audit indicators of these factories, which really increases supply chain security and facilitates importing processes. Now, what we see on the screen here is the actual interface where we can see the company, the audited company name, who performed the audit, what the audit status is, and the date. Data that we see in the interface can also be validated on the Origin Trail decentralized knowledge graph and the underlying blockchains to make sure that the data that we see in the interface is actually the data that was published in the original in its original form. Now, really, where the SCAN Trusted Factory solution actually focuses on audit data, the Trusted Supply Chain Index and Repository does pretty much the same with supply chain traceability data. And it really goes even a step further by enabling a more really comprehensive supply chain traceability view, because data from different supply chain stakeholders is actually linked into an end-to-end view and provides a coherent whole. Now, the components shown in the quick demo are actually very easily reused and configured to accommodate the needs of the US food sector. So it's a great starting place for the solution. The Trusted Supply Chain Index and Repository addresses several needs of the US food sector. For the supply chain stakeholders, it provides an easy way to give time-bound data access to the FDA in cases of outbreaks. It enables better management of recalls, and it ensures greater transparency towards the consumers. On the other hand, for the FDA, the solution ensures the availability of structured and linked data for better management of outbreaks. It streamlines their compliance processes, and it improves the speed and safety of food imports. As the solution uses an open source foundation, this also facilitates adoption and limits vendor lock-in, making the Trusted Supply Chain Index and Repository scalable, interoperable, and affordable. TraceLabs and BSI are looking forward to collaborating with the US food industry stakeholders. Thank you.